Hey, this is EJ and I'm going to review this Dewalt 8-piece car cleaning accessory set. I bought it on Lowe's.com. One of the first things I noticed, they count 8 pieces, but guess what? 3 of them are adapters to connect this hose to your Dewalt vacuum. Now this kit doesn't seem to be Dewalt specific. It seems to be meant for use with any type of shop vac. And because of that, it doesn't even fit the Dewalt shop vac very well. So you can see on this one, the hose that came with this has a lock, right? It keeps it connected to the shop vac. Well, guess what? This thing slides in here, and all it is kind of compression, and it doesn't stay in very well. It goes in and out, in and out. The only thing that really keeps it in place while in use is when you have the vacuum turned on and there's some suction. So this kit really, after you use this adapter and you've got these 2 useless adapters, that takes the pieces from 8 to 5. Okay, now this thing here, I don't know if you can tell how big it is. I'll put my hand next to it. It's huge. It doesn't really get into tight crevices or anything. I guess you'll have to use this piece for smaller crevices, right? But other than doing some big areas of carpet or mats or things, it doesn't do a lot for you. This is you're going to use around car seats and whatnot. The other disappointment here are these 2 brushes. Again, they're huge. They are big. You're not going to get them into like cup holders or other tight spots, which you really want to use on the dash, other parts of the interior that have some corners and whatnot. These were described as a hard bristle and soft bristle brush. Now, this is pretty soft. This one is not much stiffer. When I used either of these today, the suction of this vacuum, it ended up like sucking this thing right down onto a surface and just crushed the bristles. So it doesn't even really move around well in the car. They just crush down and it sucks right to it like you've got a blockage. I mean, my Dewalt has good suction power and it just crushes these things. So overall, I'm really disappointed with this kit. I was expecting more out of Dewalt. Almost seems like they just farmed this out to some other company and they allowed them to put the Dewalt name on it. So, sorry Dewalt, that's a swing and a miss.